Each one is being convinced of a certain goal in life, and every thought in him is ordered by or colored by that decision, that intellectual conviction. And these thoughts are that which is expressing through you and I. These are called the values of life. A phrase which is for the last about 4 years very popularly called, coming out in America. Value-based management, value-based economics, value-based politics, value-based family value. Election time, all these things come out. Afterwards, they forget all about it. Conferences are held in every university. Values. Symposia. Since I am a speaking type of human being, so when they see me, they say, Saji, we are having, why did you come? And I think about 6 or 7 universities I have, in the last 3, 4 years, 5 years, I have gone there to these various symposia. On what? Values. Professors are come with plenty of books to refer, and then files in their pocket, and embracing them all, the knowledge outside. There is no knowledge inside. It's all outside, and come there and keep it up, and they start talking as though they are lawyers with all the books on both sides, law books. All right. They are talking from morning till evening, one after another. What an enormous patience the Americans have got in listening to. But they are not understanding it, or else they cannot. 18 hours a day, how can you understand? You get tired. They go on listening. Now, at the end of it, or sometimes they will say, Swamiji, you please, a few words. So I go to the platform and I say, my learned, erudite scholars, in your presence, what can I say? But those difficulties, I would like to get some information from you. You are talking and discussing for the last 3 days on values. What is value? Value is a price. But value means what? It is then in all these 6 universities, and honestly I am telling you, by God, in order to make you believe it. I was myself shocked. I thought somewhere some attempt will be made at least to define what is value. No. All of them just look at each other. And then look at me, saying that what a funny question you are asking. Why do you want to know what is value? It's a symposium on values. You see? They are not thinking about it. A thing by itself in the world has no value. Think of it. A piece of wood lying on the roadside, has it got any value? But supposing somebody takes it up and gives it a shape, a rough shape of a doll, to a poor man's child, it has got some value. It is a doll. A piece of iron lying along the roadside, rusting away, is it any value? Let a workman take it, heat it up and beat it out, and make it into a knife, and give it a handle. It becomes a vegetable knife, and it has got some value. A thing by itself has no value. The thing plus your effort in it gives it a value. Isn't it? Raw material getting out from the world, by itself it has no value. Then you use your technological knowledge and other things and put your effort into it. It becomes a thing that has got value, of use to the society. So value you cannot get by attending to, symposias. by merely listening to or reading. But after reading and listening, you have started thinking. Then you'll have to work on yourself to create the right value.